Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of this indicator over here, the wrench or the surface indicator of a Seat Toledo. This one is a 2006 model. This model comes from 2004 till 2009. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can reset this for yourself. Okay, for example, if we turn the ignition on, there is this indicator over here flashing, the wrench indicator. And that's our problem today. First step is to have the ignition off to the zero position, so the ignition is off. Then we have a button over here. Press this button, and while you press this button, keep it pressed and turn the ignition back onto the second position, like this. Now you see that this indicator doesn't blink anymore. Now the trick is to have this button turn clockwise to the right once. You hear a small click. And once you have done that, do the check, ignition off, ignition back on, and now you see that the wrench indicator has gone. This is a Seat Toledo 2004 to 2009. It's the same model, and also the other Seat models have this kind of resetting models. So look for more videos on our channel. We have more than 500 videos. Help yourself by watching these videos. If you have any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. For today, thanks for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.